Next we have got Avishka Ajababu from BBA, followed by Megha Raj.
Well wishes to all present here. Picture a land where ancient wisdom dances with cutting edge innovation, where a billion aspirations converge towards a singular goal. This is India, a land brimming with potential and poised to leap into the ranks of global superpower. Can India become the world's next superpower nation? Let's explore. Rome wasn't built in a day. India's journey is a marathon, not a sprint. We have seen India emerge as an IT powerhouse, a space pioneer, and a rapidly growing economy. Yet, challenges abound. Poverty, education, infrastructure need addressing. But adversity forges strength. India's youthful, dynamic population is an engine of innovation and growth. Our rich cultural diversity and entrepreneurial spirit provide us with unique strengths. India's rising influence in G20 and the UN, alongside the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision, showcase a drive towards resilience and self-sufficiency. As Mahatma Gandhi said, the future depends on what we do in present. By fostering inclusive growth, advancing technology, and upholding our cultural values, India can achieve superpower status. In conclusion, India's rise is about more than power. It's about dreams of a billion people. With determination and progress as a guide, India can achieve superpower status. The world better watch out because India is rising and there's no turning back. Thank you and a happy Mahatma Gandhi.
Avishka. Is it Avishka? Okay. So, your topic is necessity is the mother of invention.
Invention. Invention is not only needed when something exists. Rather, it's needed when something is lacking. Something somewhere is lacking. You can only invent something when you can question that why can't this be or how can this be. So if we need to invent something, we need to see that if is it really needed for the population or is it just going to be a waste after it being invented. So to see whether there is a necessity for the things that we are going to or planning to invent it, we need to take some points in mind, such as that whether how will it affect, whether it has been already made or not, or is it really necessary for the population or the country or the world. And if it is really necessary, then whether it possesses possibilities of really successing, or does it have advantages and disadvantages. That's all the points that we need to see if the product is necessary for its invention. After this, when we see if it's really necessary, then we can move forward to invent it. And inventing it needs various resources like manpower or machinery, and then we can just conclude the invention.